రాష్ట్రపతి ఎన్నికల్లో తనకు మద్దతు ఇవ్వాలని వైఎస్సార్ కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ గౌరవ అధ్యక్షురాలు విజయమ్మను పీఎస్ సంగ్మా కోరారు. ఉప ఎన్నికల్లో విజయం సాధించడంపై శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలిపారు. జగన్ను కలవాలని వారం క్రితమే అపాయింట్మెంట్ కోరినట్లు సంగ్మా తెలిపారు. జైలు అధికారులు తన పట్ల వ్యవహరించిన తీరు బాధాకరమన్నారు. అధికారులు తన పట్ల వివక్ష చూపారని వాపోయారు. ఎంపీ అసదుద్దీన్ కు ఒక న్యాయం, తనకు ఒక న్యాయమా అంటూ ఆవేదనతో ప్రశ్నించారు సంగ్మా.
Sorry? How are you? I'm good, sir. You could not be decided. Yesterday evening. Oh,
I was with Jen Melanie. I was so much about you. How are you?
How are you, sir? I'm here. James, how are you?
Election I announced Mohan is a well-established leader now, and people are with him personally for the landslide victory that he had in the recently concluded by-elections to Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, as well as a lone seat to the Lok Sabha of Indian Parliament. I sought an appointment with the jail authorities more than 1 week ago, and I was informed that I could come today and meet Jagan Mohan Reddy between 9 and 9:30 in the morning, because normally they don't allow visitors after 10 o'clock. I arrived here last night, went to the jail in the morning, reached there about 10:15, and then an officer, junior officer, came out and said that the jailer had not yet reported to duty, therefore I better come between 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. I said it's perfectly all right for me, so I went back to my hotel and I was proceeding to the jail at around 10:45, so that I am able to be there between 11 and 12, as I have been told to be there by the jail authorities. When we were about to reach the jail, my son James Sangma, who is an MLA, was informed by the jailer that my meeting with Jagan Mohan is cancelled. I will not be allowed to meet him because my visit was going to be political. We explained to them that it is not political. We have a long association of Sangma family and YSR family for more than 20-25 years. Mr. late YSR Reddy was my close friend, and I knew the family, so it was just a courtesy call and a congratulations.